In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explain how to refund NDC documents in Amadeus. For NDC bookings, airline sales are reported directly to the IATA BSP or ARC by the airline. If the void window has passed, the carrier will treat the cancellation as a refund rather than a void. You can retrieve a booking file or PNR using either traditional cryptic mode or graphical mode. However, we must process the refund for NDC tickets and EMDs in graphical mode, GUI. Once retrieved, the booking file will open in graphical mode. Here, you can see the NDC tag alongside the booking details. You will find the ticket arrangement, TKOK, and the date, March 30th, 2026, indicating the documents were issued on that date. This section also displays the reservation number, the NDC order ID, and the Amadeus and airline record locators. In the e-ticket and EMD section, you can see the issued ticket number from March 30th. Click on the ticket number hyperlink. Both coupons currently show a status of open for use. Let's exit the e-ticket record and return to the booking file. Before processing a refund, it is best practice to check the rules. In the Products section, click the Full Fare Conditions hyperlink. Select the Abu Dhabi to London Heathrow segment and click the Penalty option. Under the Cancel section, if it says Not Allowed, it means the base fare is non-refundable either before or after departure. In this case, you can only refund the refundable taxes. Be sure to check the penalty rules for the return flight from London to Abu Dhabi as well. Now, let's proceed with the cancellation. In the Products section, you can either click the Cancel Order hyperlink or use the drop-down menu next to the Confirmed Status and select Cancel Order. A Cancel Order window will pop up with a warning message. Since the void window has passed, the cancellation type will show as Refund. Here, you can review the total penalty and the total refund amount for all passengers. The screen will display the original issued fare and taxes, alongside the specific penalty amount, the tax refund amount, and the final total refund. Click on Tax Details to review the paid taxes for issued ticket. Once you have verified the amounts, click the Cancel Order button to proceed. A confirmation message will appear. NDC order was successfully cancelled and status changed to refunded. Click Continue to close the form. Notice that the original ticket arrangement date has been removed, and the system now shows the last saved date as April 8, 2026. Additionally, the NDC order ID is no longer displayed after the refund is finalized. If you click the e-ticket hyperlink now, you will typically see an error message. This is normal for NDC refunded or voided documents. To view the PNR in its traditional format, click the Cryptic Display hyperlink. You can also switch to cryptic mode to retrieve the PNR history. Here, you can review the detailed history of the NDC order, including any splits and the final cancellation. You can also generate a report for the refunded NDC documents on cryptic mode. In our next video, we will show you how to issue NDC ancillary EMDs alongside e-tickets in Amadeus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.